Now we've put a muddy puddle here because we're going to make some piglets and pop them in that. These piglets are a bit of fun. So basically all we do is we get a little bit of fondant. Like all the figurines, we've got to start with fondant with Tylose, and we roll a ball. I like to do it on baking paper so it doesn't stick to my counter. So we've got a little ball, and that can be the head, and a slightly bigger one, maybe a bit bigger, that can be the body. Now this one's going to be sitting up, but there will be other ones laying down. So we'll just sit that there. To hold the head up, what we're going to use is a toothpick, but this one's too long, so we might just trim it. I have gardening clippers, especially for cake decorating. Nobody's allowed to touch them, only for cake decorating. So now we're going to glue the head on. Now once we've done that, we'll get some more pink fondant and put a cute little snout on him. Once you roll your ball, roll it into a little bit of a sausage. So when you pop it on his face, it goes long ways. And then press it, and you've got it in the right place. Use a toothpick to create the nostrils. Once again, if you have an edible marker, use an edible marker to put the pupils on. If you don't have an edible marker, you just roll small balls of black fondant. Now we don't want the eyes to be too big. So I find the easiest way to make the ears is once again roll a ball. So it doesn't stick to your hand, you might need to put some icing sugar on it. Flatten it out, cut it in half, and then I get a toothpick and I press it down in the centre. Then I hold it like this and pinch. So we've got more of a triangle shape. Now we would normally make a little tail for him, but in this case we won't be because he'll be sitting flush up against the barn. So now we'll just do his feet, which I've once again rolled a ball, cut it into 4 so I can get it as close as possible to have my feet even. And they're just, with a little bit of glue, stick the feet on. So as you can see, we've just got a pig's bottom with its head down and its tail up. We've got a laying down pig, and the third pig will be going next to the barn. Thanks for watching. So you don't miss out on any upcoming videos, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, you click on the notification bell, and you follow us on Facebook. Happy decorating!